were killed in a fire at the newborn baby care hospital in Vivek Vihar in East Delhi. The owner of the hospital, Dr. Naveen Khichi, has been arrested. He was absconding since last night when the blaze erupted. He has been accused of not having fire safety checks at his hospital where the tragic incident happened. Dr. Naveen Khichi owns several other baby care centers as well. Now, the police is mulling imposition of Section 304, which is culpable homicide not amounting to murder. The 5 infants who survived continue to receive treatment at a Delhi hospital and are said to be stable. Meanwhile, the BJP has accused the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal of negligence. Delhi BJP chief has alleged that the Aam Aadmi Party government is responsible for encouraging corruption in each and every department in the national capital. And now we'll give you more details about this whole matter. Now, remember, 7 infants have been killed in this tragedy, this hospital fire tragedy. Now, these are the latest details and the glaring lapses. License issued to the hospital expired on March 31st, 2024. So, the license had expired 2 months ago, but the hospital was operational. License only for 5 beds, 12 infants admitted at time of fire. So, it had also the expired license was only for 5 infants, but at the time of the fire there were 12 infants in the hospital. Doctors not qualified in neonatal intensive care. So the doctors weren't even qualified enough to work at that hospital. Doctors on staff are only BA/MS degree holders, so they weren't qualified enough, and this is yet another glaring lapse. And there was no fire extinguisher in the hospital for emergencies. Now, this is one of the major points, that there was not even any fire extinguisher in the hospital. Hospital was not equipped with an emergency exit. So there wasn't even an emergency exit made in the hospital for incidents like these. And neither there was a fire extinguisher nor there was an emergency exit. The license of the hospital was expired in March 2024, and in fact the doctors weren't even qualified enough. Let's take a look at some reactions on this.
कार्रवाई करना चाहिए। जो मापदंड हैं, सुरक्षा के मापदंड है, अगर उनमें कहीं चूक हुई है तो ज़रूर कार्रवाई करी जाना चाहिए। हालांकि मैं बड़ा दुख व्यक्त करता हूं, और जिनके बच्चे अब नहीं रहे दुनिया में, मैं उनकी तकलीफ को समझ सकता हूं।
मेरी फायर डिपार्टमेंट के हेड से बात हुई और उन्होंने बताया कि उनका अंदाज़ा है कि शायद शॉर्ट सर्किट की वजह से आग लगी, और क्योंकि ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर इसके अंदर थे तो ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर ब्लास्ट होने की वजह से ये आग काफ़ी बढ़ गई। और इसके अंदर न्यू बॉर्न बेबीज़ करीब 12 के करीब थे जिनको रेस्क्यू किया गया, मगर बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है कि करीब 6 बच्चों की दम घुटने की वजह से इसमें मृत्यु हो गई।
देखिए, इसमें दिल्ली बहुत ही दर्द में है, बहुत परेशानी में है। दिल्ली को अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने दर्द और आंसुओं का पहाड़ बना दिया है। हाहाकार मची है। कल जब मैं इस घटना की जानकारी मुझे मिली, ये सोच के कि जरा इसका अनुभव करिए कि जिसके बच्चे अभी संसार में आए थे और अस्पताल से घर नहीं पहुंच पाए। Who is responsible?
See, we received a call around 11:32, and the caller informed that there is a fire in the baby care center and there is a blast. So we rushed 7 fire tender initially, and later on we rushed 5 tender more, approximately 14 to fire tender. See, because of blast, the fire spread very fast to the whole building and also in the neighboring building. It was a very tough operation. We made 2 teams. One team started firefighting because there was a blast of cylinders, chain of blast of cylinder. So we have to save ourselves also. So we made 2 teams. One team started rescue operations for babies, And second team is we started firefighting operation. Unfortunately, we could not save all the children.
And with that, we're now slipping into a very short break. We'll be right back.